Welcome to the Dental School Guide podcast, your ultimate destination for all things dentistry. I'm Dr. Tanner Townsend, your guide through the complex world of dental education. Join us as we uncover the secrets of acing dental school admissions, navigating residency programs, and exploring career opportunities. Please share and enjoy. Real quick, just wanted to make all you pre-dental students out there aware of a resource. If you've ever been worried about getting into dental school or are wanting to get into that school of your dreams, then you definitely want to check out a program called Dental School Guide. In the program, we walk you through how to save money, time, and heartache when applying to dental school. There's so much fluff out there when it comes to resources for getting into school, and we are streamlining all of that. With our comprehensive digital course, expert mentorship, and personalized application review services, you'll have everything you need to stand out to admission committees. Take advantage of this amazing resource that will help you increase your chances of getting into dental school. You'll want to check out dentalschoolguide.com. Check it out. I'm your host, Dr. Tanner Townsend, and this is our very first episode. And so in today's episode, we really want to give you the roadmap of how to get into dental school and what that's going to look like. And so today we're going to talk about what we're going to be discussing on the podcast in future seasons and kind of what to expect. So a little background about myself. I'm one of the co-founders of Dental School Guide, and I'm a practicing dentist at Montana Center for Implants and Dentures, and I'm a graduate of Virginia Commonwealth University. And so during my time during dental school, I had the opportunity to help a lot of pre-dental students interview, review their application, and prepare for dental school. And one of the things that I noticed when I was preparing to go to dental school as well, it's really hard to know what information is good information. There's so much garbage out there on the internet, on the forums, on Facebook, and some of it's good and some of it's really not good at all. And so our goal here at Dental School Guide in part is to help streamline that process of getting into dental school, to help you know what your dream school is looking for and how to get into dental school in a way that avoids bloodshed, spending too much time, money, and energy and fear, and help make that process way easier. So that's our goal here at Dental School Guide. Now, what you can expect on the show going forward. Our goal is to help pre-dental students, dental students, and post-grad students kind of navigate the waters of dentistry, especially as the culture of dentistry is changing in the field. As more practices are going to a DSO model, as more private equity is buying up dental practices, we want to help you understand where you fit into the puzzle. And it starts as a pre-dental student. And so during this first season, we are going to be discussing pre-dental tips and tricks for getting into dental school and your application and how to fill out FAFSA and where to live and so on and so forth. We're also going to be interviewing different students from all the different dental schools. And we're going to be discussing with them what life is like as a student, what to expect, what they should be looking for if they're planning on attending that school. We're also going to be interviewing all the deans of admissions from all the different dental schools in the United States and possibly Canada. And our goal with that is to hear it from the horse's mouth. We want to be able to help you know exactly what the deans of admissions are looking for. And each school is different. Each dean is looking for something different in their class to fit their school's culture. And there may be a school that you weren't expecting that fits you best. So our goal here is to help you figure out what school is going to be best for you and help you become a dentist. So that's what we're going to be discussing in season 1. In season 2, we'll kind of dive into residency programs and following a similar format where we're giving tips and tricks on applications, but also for interviewing students that are residents currently and also interviewing resident faculty members for all the specialties, AGDs, and GPRs. And finally, in season 3, we'll move into practice ownership, how to be a good associate, how to pick the right contract, how to pick the right practice to go to that aligns with your goals. But like I said, our first season here, we're really just trying to discuss what we need to do as a pre-dental student to get into dental school and help make it as seamless as possible. Now I'm going to do a shameless plug here. At Dental School Guide, we are a company that tries to help students get into dental school, and we increase your chances of doing so. And we do that through our course on how to get into dental school, through one-on-one mentorship, through our interview preparation process to help you prepare for your interviews, through application review. And we also help students make a custom plan. So wherever they're at in the process, if they are years away from applying, or if they're applying in a few months, we can sit down and make a custom plan for you to decide what things you need to do to add to your application in terms of experiences, but also help you know what schools that you should apply to. So those are some things that we do, and that is it with the shameless plug. But going in, once again, we are looking forward to getting to know you all better. If you have questions as we are doing our podcast, please reach out to us at info@dentalschoolguide.com. We would be happy to answer any questions you have, and we might even answer some of those questions on a podcast. That way you can get your questions answered, and that we can help you better be prepared with the correct information for getting into dental school. Well, we're looking forward to getting to know you all better, and thank you for coming with us on this journey. That's all for today's episode of the Dental School Guide podcast. We hope you've gained valuable insights and inspiration to fuel your journey into dentistry. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more expert advice, inside tips, and engaging discussions. If you enjoyed today's episode, please leave us a review. It would mean the world to us. Until next time, keep smiling, keep striving, and remember, your dental dreams are closer than you think. Thanks for tuning in to the Dental School Guide podcast.